God. It's amazing they watch TV now, isn't it? They say the average person watches 4 hours of TV a day. First time in my life, I'm above average. I'm the star on the sofa, and the king of the couch. I am the remote man. Give it to me now. We are men and we must be in control. Always been like that, back to the caveman days. Men go out of cave. Men must go out and hunt for food. Men come back sit by fire. Men must hold stick to stir fire. Today men go to bar, get drunk, come back, drink beer, sit on couch, start fire. Why watch one when you can watch them all? Give it to me now. You have no idea.
This is Sports Center.
I don't get my daily dose of sports, man. I thought to get the twitches and shit, you know? It's amazing they watch TV now, isn't it? Our attention spans have gotten so much smaller. That looks good. What the hell was that? I don't know, Georgie. What the hell was that? Anybody got a big one? He's back in there, Scooter. 13-inch black and white? Anybody got a 13-inch black and white? Come on, tin foil for an antenna? Hee-haw 24/7? You know what I'm talking about. Huh? How about 19-inch color? Martin Luther King had a dream, so should you. Who's got 19 inches of color? Come on, raise your hands up there. How big, man? How big? Step up to the plate. How big, mama? 19-inch? Can we beat? How about 25-inch? You make a 25-inch? Can I put a VCR on top of that 25-inch? How about 35-inch? You got a 35-inch TV? Who's got 35-inch TV? How about 54-inch? Yell it out. How big? 16! You're like a porn star. We don't want to watch boogie nights at your house. You got PIP? Because you know me. If you kids at home, you don't know what that is, that's 2 shows at once. Menage a TV trois. When I was a kid, my dad would let us stay up late, and we could watch the shows that he called the forbidden shows. The shows we weren't supposed to watch, you know, Charlie's Angels, Solid Gold, Mary Tullamore. Hello, Mary. Hello. All the shows we used to watch had great songs, themes we used to sing. What does it mean? I don't know, but Squeaky was the man.
Why don't you let your sweater down and let the
Puppies breathe. Come on, knock on my door. Three's Company. Janet, Chrissy, Jack. Oh, yeah. Mr. Furley.